Okay folks, welcome to another, technically this is a Chief Steamer 75 video. Now we've done a bunch of introductory videos and we've compared this machine to a McCulloch. We've talked about why it's a great backup machine, but what I want to do is I want to compare it to one of my other hugely popular machines, the 100, and really get you to hone in on which machine you might want to buy. Now, previously, after we discontinued the old 75 machine, which was bigger in stature than this, it had a slightly bigger boiler. It was only 10 PSI higher at 85. This machine is 75. But we did discontinue that machine. I did a video on that with reasonings why we discontinued the old 75 machine. So now you have a choice. You have a choice of this machine at a much lower price, or you step into the 100 machine at double the price. This machine is not the 100 machine. I'm very, very proud of the 100 machine. We've done great things with the 100 machine. Most detailers will buy the 100 machine for these reasons. It's continuous refill to start. So this is where you're putting your water in the 100 machine, and it's automatic refill, meaning that this is a non-pressurized tank where all you're doing is putting your water into this tank, which can be removed from the bracket on the back, and you just go over to your water source, fill it, and the pump and the computer system takes care of the rest, and it fills the boiler as it needs to. So there's slightly more bells and whistles on the 100 machine, but the biggest thing is you get a longer hose and it's detachable. So this is where you're plugging your hose in on the 100, the 125, the 155. On the 75 machine, no detachable hose. 12-foot hose on the 100 machine, 7-foot hose on the 75 machine. You get a few more attachments and accessories with the 100 machine that we did not include with the 75 machine, and I explained that in another video why we did not include certain attachments to keep the price down. Now our 100 machine starts at 110 PSI. The 75 machine is 75 PSI. But the biggest thing is this is continuous refill, so you can steam all day long. You don't have to stop, let the machine cool down, carefully take the boiler cap off, carefully refill it, and then wait for it to heat up again. So if you're a residential user, I strongly feel that you should be looking at this machine because you should be able to get through a house cleaning job on a typical size house that's not extremely filthy with one fill-up of this 75 machine. You're still going to get excellent steam pressure, you're still going to get excellent steam volume. It's very compact, it's very light, it's easy to carry up and down stairs if you needed to. It's still easy to roll around, it still has the exact same handle on the top. So I really like this machine for residential use, and for detailers, if you're a part-time detailer or if you're not doing car after car after car, this may be the machine that you want to look at, just for the fact that if you're going to do a car interior and then go on to buff it, the cool down time, you can still refill this and not be slowed down. The guys that buy the 100 machine, they're just doing car after car after car, and the machine is constantly in use. This is still commercial. It's still made with the same family of components that this machine is used, and you can still see the same grade of stainless steel is being used on both machines. It's just capacity on this is a little bit less, pressure is a little bit less, hose length is a little bit less, and we give you slightly less accessories. But we've never been able to come in at the price we're coming in at for the 75 machine. But if you need the added performance, if you feel like you need continuous refill, if you're doing car after car after car, if you want to use the vacuum hose, then the 100 would be the choice. If you're a residential user, a part-time detailer, house cleaner that's not doing house after house after house, or if you're going to your next job, that would be your cool down time, then the 75 might be the machine for you. So hopefully we've cleared up any confusion between the two machines, and you can make your choice of a Chief Steamer based on specs, based on price, based on what you want to use it for, and based on what I think I would recommend it for. So hopefully you're going to buy a Chief Steamer, and if you're undecided between this and this, I hope I've just cleared that up for you as well.